Product review of Sunstone Engineering's freestanding scope with 5-time magnification. Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a product review of Sunstone Engineering's scope, the magnification scope for microwelding, and it is auto dimming. A few years back, I had the opportunity to try it, and I decided not to purchase it at that point because it had an arm that needed to be clamped down, and I was worried that I wasn't going to do a proper job of it, and it was a little bit more expensive. So I decided against it, but I loved the experience. Since then, Sunstone has come up with a new design where it is freestanding. With their previous auto dimming lenses, like this, they were lightweight, portable, and I could just plop it down. So without any sort of clamping. So when they came out with this, I was quite tempted, and already I purchased a number of welders to film with, and I was very happy with the ADL, and I was wondering, I couldn't really justify, because filming, I am unable to film through the lens to show you what I'm seeing. So at that time, I decided not to purchase it. But since they have come up with this and I've had a number of questions about it, I decided to purchase one for myself. So this is my gift to myself, and it is fantastic. So I'm going to show you, even though I have not been able to master filming through the lens so that you can actually see what I'm seeing, I want to take this opportunity to show off my latest toy. Okay, so now I am first going to open up the box. I'm so excited. So lovely. Well, we know it's well packed and beautifully taken care of. Okay, so this is the arm. This is a stand. It used to be that you would have to clamp it down, and I've used it before. The clamped version is so nice. But it's not as easy to travel with. So they've come up with this. Gorgeous. Let's see if this is the right way. And then you can clamp on and then put this back. It's very easy, like this. And now you have, I'm going to adjust this later, little cushions for my eyes. And I like it that it can fully rotate. So we'll figure that out in a moment. And this will connect to, I'm going to bring up a welder. So here, this nozzle allows you to go up and down, distance away from this. This allows focus, as well as this, the width of your eyes. And there's an adjustment here, so as to how far, how close you want the stylus. And this adjusts the entire thing up and down. And it's very simple to operate. So this is the size. I'm going to try, see if I can manipulate this camera. So that versus this. That's a huge difference. Okay, so I want to show you, this is how far away it is. And the electrode is there, but you can see in the middle of your screen, the microscope, what you're seeing. But it would be clearer if we were actually closer to the lens. So, using an iPhone. Here we go. There we go. Can you see that? I'm going to put it back closer. That's where the ring is. And this, where my finger is how far it is. The magnification is superb. So first I want to tell you that this scope works with any of the micro welders that Sunstone has come up with. The mPulse 30, all the mPulses, and their other micro welders, as well as the PJ and Zapp. So it's great, whichever welder you have, if you are finding that you're not seeing things clearly, well, once you're 40, bifocals need to come out. So if you're struggling with that, this is an option. I have posted a hack using a cell phone as a magnification, but the problem with that is sometimes you're not used to the depth perception is a little bit off, and I did not experience that here. With my cell phone hack, you do have to get used to it. It's kind of like driving in reverse. You know, my age, you look back, and then when the screens came out on the dashboard, I was not used to it. I was still looking back. And now I'm so used to looking at the screen, it's kind of hard for me not to drive with it. So it's a matter of what you are used to. So this is what it looks like. And if you turn it off, the light goes off. But once you have it plugged in, you turn it on, it is done. And let me see if I've got this all tangled. I'm going to do it this way. So I've set it so that it fits me here, and you can, this clamp, you can go up and down, you can pivot, and also I need glasses when I am reading anything or welding. But with this, you can control it, and you put this here. And so I am welding here and looking through this. It's exactly like a microscope in your biology classes way back when. So it's very clear. It's 5 times, and you can adjust it to your height of the chair, and pivot. This microscope is priced at $1,000 US, and every dealer will offer a slight discount if you purchase it in combination with a welder. Now, is it worth the money? Should you buy it? I have to say, if you can afford it, it's certainly worth the money. If you're struggling to see, even with the enhanced ADL, this is definitely worth the money because it's revolutionary. It is, you see every single thing, including the lines, your fingerprint lines. So it is great. Now, if you are going to be doing a lot of welds, if money is tight, I would say think on it as a business expense and whether or not it's worthwhile. If it is the case that you're going to be welding a lot and your eyesight isn't that great, you're slightly older like myself, or you've always been really not great with your eyesight, this is really worthwhile considering. And you should also test to get an idea. Take a pair of pliers and close a jump ring that approximately the size that you are going to be working with. Hold it 12 to 16 inches away. Are you able to see the seam of the jump ring to be able to weld it? If not, see 12 inches away like this. Can you see the seam with your darkening glasses, sunglasses on, say, protective goggles on? And if you're unsure, not very clearly, then you really do need a tool to help with seeing. And if it is a case that you are able to afford it, by all means, it's well worth the money because it is revolutionary. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe. It helps my algorithm. I'm a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a dealer for Sunstone Engineering's array of microwelders. I'm going to leave some more information below about our company, as well as the scope that you've seen here.